Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Recently, Appa made a Chai Buey video and a lot of people commented and they wanted to help Appa to improve it. So I tried to follow their advice and this is what they taught me. Yeah. First of all, I have 2 pieces of kai choy here. Yeah. So it is called mustard green. And the thing about kai choy is that it actually contains some bitterness. Okay, and it has to use at least about 45 minutes to really fully cook until it is very soft. So we are going to do 2 things. Number 1, I actually pre-blanch the kai choy. Number 1, I actually cut it into smaller chunks. Yeah, especially the bigger, the thicker part. Yeah, like this. And then I pre-blanch it using some salted water. Okay, some boiling water. I put in a bit of salt, salted water to blanch it for a minimum 15 to 20 minutes. Then you can see it's already softened. Yeah. So by doing this, it helps you 2 ways. Number 1, it's going to shorten down your cooking time later. Number 2, it's actually going to remove the bitterness. Yeah, help to remove the bitterness of your kai choy. And I have some Chinese New Year. This is some leftover roast duck. So later we are going to put it in. Chai buey meaning it is actually a dish cooked using the leftovers. So there's no rule as to what you can put inside. Roast pork, steamed chicken, whatever, put it inside. Some people will even add in sardine. Yeah, some sardine, canned sardine inside. And then after that we have some ginger, garlic, and also dried chili. I'll try to de-seed the dried chili so that it's not too spicy. Then we have some Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, where you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore. And also some asam jawa, or you can use asam keping. Okay? Once the oil is heated up, we're going to put in the garlic, ginger, and also dried chili. Saute it a bit. Then we shall put in any roasted meat that you have. Alright, so we have some boiling water at the side, and then I'm going to add in this, what we just sauteed just now. And not forgetting our kai choy. I have inside approximately 1.5 liter of boiling water. Yeah. All right, just nice. Next thing, we are going to give it some seasoning. First of all, I'm going to give it some salt, about 1 teaspoon to start with. We can adjust to taste towards the end. Yeah, right before serving. And I have some, this asam puree already dried out. Let me use another one. Now, if you have asam keping, you can put in few pieces of asam keping. I'm using asam puree today, which is easier for me. Right, this is about at least 2 tablespoons full of asam puree to start with. We can still adjust the sourish flavor towards the end, right before serving. Yeah. And then I'm going to put in my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. Few dashes of premium Vietnamese fish sauce. So now you can see it is now boiling, and we are going to close the lid, tune down to low fire, and let it simmer for approximately, I would say around 30 minutes is good enough, because I already blanched the kai choy for 20 minutes earlier. If not, if you will cook it from fresh, then you need to cook this minimum 45 minutes. All right. This is after about 30, I can't remember, maybe close to 40 also, because I was cooking other things, so I just leave it slow cook to continue. Basically, it is definitely done. Alright, so now it is basically ready to be served. The only one thing is you just want to use some asam paste and some salt and also sugar to adjust to taste, yeah, to the taste that you really wanted. Nice. I don't mind adding a little bit more sourish, but it's okay already to be. If you ask me, it is now super yummy already. It's ready to be served. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to friends. Come to Cooking Appa fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.